This video will demonstrate how to enter a revised NoGA into EpiGraM. The first step is to figure out, to find your way to the correct record. Now from this page, if you use this open find box, it can find on any number of things. However, one thing about that is that it will not accept an asterisk as a wildcard. So you cannot enter asterisk 47918 for the con and get a find. You'd have to type in the entire con. So looking for something shorter, I would choose either the primary project or the PRF number. So do the primary project. And that does bring us to a matching record, testing community intervention to increase aspirin use. That looks right. And the PRF number matches as well, and so does the con. So we do have the correct record. And I am going to first clear out the existing recent PDF. And you'll notice that the icon, the Adobe icon disappeared. And now I'll click on Browse to get the current one. This is under the con. And then I'll double click on that, and that should create, should import the NoGA into EpiGraM. I will also adjust the details here. Now you notice a lot of things have been grayed off and are no longer editable. That is because it's a lot of duplicate entry that's not needed. So I'm going to be cutting fields out over time. I am going to finish off the title. And this is probably a prime, so there is no prime order number, so everything else looks good. Technically, this is year 5, but close enough. Then the project, I believe, will also be the same. I'm going to put this in. Since it's missing. 11/30/19, that's still correct. And I'm not going to adjust those amounts. It's like, this project actually has a lot of, maybe the entire award has been put into that, so I'm not sure about that. Now, looking at this, what I noticed was that there are, let's see, this is the cardiology project, the primary project, which I don't need to look at. I'm looking for the 48326 project, and this has been zeroed out for years 4 and 5. So I'm guessing there's probably nothing. It still has the same end date, even though that's not quite correct, given that there's no money coming in. But I'm going to leave that how it is. I'm tempted to mark completed since the money has run out, but since I'm not the accountant, I won't do that. I will go down to the budget periods, however, and check and see how those numbers look. Oops. So 150/117 is correct for the first one, 137/397, 135/76/4, and then these two have been zeroed out. So the dates remain the same, but the dollar amounts have been changed to 0. And as far as I know, the effort still is the same. It's just been switched from departments, so I'm not going to alter the effort for this one. So that's all that needs to be done with this updated NoGA.